Every second, millions of cells in your body divide to create new cells. This process is called mitosis. Let's understand how mitosis works step by step. Mitosis is a type of cell division in which one parent cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. Mitosis helps organisms grow, repair damaged tissues, and replace old cells in the body. In the first stage, called prophase, chromosomes condense and become clearly visible inside the nucleus. In metaphase, chromosomes align in the middle of the cell, forming a structure called the metaphase plate. In anaphase, the sister chromatids separate and move toward opposite poles of the cell. In telophase, two new nuclei form around the separated chromosomes. Finally, the cytoplasm divides in a process called cytokinesis, forming two identical daughter cells. To summarize, mitosis occurs in four main stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In the next video, we'll explore meiosis and learn how it differs from mitosis.